Here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna go through a bunch of extremely zoomed in credit cards, and I'm going to slowly zoom out.
I better know this one because I have this card, but I still wasn't sure.
Would you wear lipstick for a video if you get it wrong?
You think?
Well, it's now immortalized on YouTube, so it'll always be there for you to watch.
747.
Let me tell you this right now. I'm not worried.
We're the smarter group.
Did you say because we're smarter?
I shouldn't have taken that guess.
Yes, that makes sense, I guess.
Some of these harder ones, I don't know who would get.
We lost you, Stanley.
You're not giving anyone a chance.
That's right. I like that.
What?
Buzz?
Yeah, that's why I thought Discover It had a design I didn't know about.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. He should have known this.
Because I heard Stan, I didn't hear Matt.
That's all good.
Yeah, he keeps cutting out.
Oops, I did.
Ashley would get this one very easily.
Never heard of this card in my life. Never heard of that in my life.
So Joshua, I have a question for you. Do you have something in or out for Stan? Like you just took his moment. This is Stan Lee's moment and you just stole it from him.